If you could change one thing about yourself, you're not gonna change. Oh, are you perfect?
Parkour! Michael! Parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour!
Where did you learn to sit like that? Oh.
Hey, Sharon, listen to me. Have you ever bathed in catnip? Sharon, have you ever done it? Get out of here. I'm tripping my tits off.
Snowball, come here. Hey, come here. Look, come here. Shh. Listen. Ow. Fuck. Listen, shh. It's not your fault. It's not your fault, okay? You're fucked up. You're drunk and you're acting like an asshole. Now, shh. God damn, your fur is soft. Listen, your pupils are dilated. You look nuts. Are you on Adderall? Don't lie. I am too. It's fine. Look at. Shh, shh, shh. It's not your fault.
Can't catch me.